Mexican Fear Factor plus our special guests. We're gonna go to the corner of a street in our neighborhood where it's really busy, and we're gonna donate $1 to the Red Cross for Japan. So, first car, 2 cars.
Car. Honk for Japan.
Car.
Japan.
Japan!
Honk it, man. Do it.
That's messed up. That's mean.
Honk. Good job.
One honk. $1.
No, we have $2 because of that one car that's way over there.
Oh yeah, he was waving. Ooh, second car.
Second car. Come on. Are you guys illiterate? Read it. Read it.
You serious? These people are, oh my god, Vegas people are so selfish.
Really?
I mean, we're donating our money. They're like,
Yes.
they just have to honk for us to donate.
It's true.
I mean, if they don't honk, we're actually helping for them because them cheap asses can't afford this.
Cheap asses.
Okay, it's gonna get really dark soon, so we need more honks. Or just like get a really like
We should
bright
do this tomorrow
light.
morning. I mean, Monday. That's why we need strobe.
Car?
Go. Oh, for $1! We're giving away $1 to the Red Cross.
Car.
Please. Oh, come
Are
on.
you serious?
Honk.
Honk for Japan!
We're giving up $1. Honk for Japan. One honk equals $1 for Japan.
Dude, selfish. What did I say?
Here,
Selfish.
another one.
I'm not like scared. I just like I feel like these people don't have the heart. People don't have hearts. They just turn their heads and they don't do shit. They just have to honk.
I know, right? Do it for the people. Come on.
3 cars.
Red car, come on, red car. You know you can do this.
Car not
For
honking.
Japan. Come on. For Japan, people, we're giving up $1.
Honk for Japan!
Honk. Did he just flip us off?
I think he did. I think he flipped us off, didn't he?
I know, right? He flipped us off, that bastard. Don't say that.
People are mean. Just honk for Japan.
$1 for Japan. It's $1, man.
Let's scream at the same time. Ready? Honk for Japan!
$1.
Selfish.
Please.
I wonder if we stand out in the middle of the street if they're honking.
No. Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna die? She'll die for Japan, people.
This girl, this Mexican, will die for Japan.
Hey, you guys stay there. Whenever a car comes, I'm just gonna make it stop, and I'm across the street.
What the fuck?
Oh my god! Hold your sign up though.
See, I'm Mexican and you guys are chicks and you're not doing this.
Fine! No, I'm not doing this! I'm going over here! Honk for Japan!